In this video, I'm going to give you a solution if you want to see your X password, but maybe you've forgotten it. So you probably know that if you go to the top left-hand corner to your profile, you then go to settings and privacy and go to your account and change your password. You can't currently change the password without knowing the current password. Now you can click forgot password, but that's going to reset it, send it to your email. What do you do if you just want to see the password? Well, I have a solution which you might also be able to do as well. So if you've saved your password to Google or you've logged in via Google, you might have clicked yes to save your password. So what I prompt you to do is go and open up any Google app. That can be Google Mail, just the Google Chrome, or just a Google app. So I'm just going to search for Google, right? And we'll go to the Google app. Now here we are on the Google app. Now what you can do is you can go to the top right hand corner once you're logged in with your Google account. You can then go manage your account. And then from here, if you go to security, you can then scroll all the way down. And here you'll see password manager. If you click on manage passwords, you might actually have your X or Twitter password saved in here. You can then go and search, and I would search for Twitter first because it's probably going to be Twitter. And there you go. You can then click on Twitter. And from here, you can enter in your password to your email account. And then once you've done that, you will then be able to see your Twitter username. And if you click on the eye icon, it will reveal the password for you. Now, this will only be if you've saved it, but that's how I suggest you do it. I hope that helped you out.